Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with the Bargain Mama, and today I'm going to consider Vlogmas Day 6. It'll come up tomorrow. Today is Monday. It is a bad day. I am so sore. I am so tired. I am staying in my pajamas all day long. So I had gotten these a couple days ago. This Dollar Tree stuff, and so I'm just going to do that as my Vlogmas Day 6 and just take it easy today. So with that being said, let's see what we got here. Oh, except for a mess. Let's not make a mess. Excuse me. So I did just pick up, I have not seen this before. I did get the old El Paso, I think it was the taco kit or something that my family really liked. I have not found that again, but I got this. It's the Kinder's Main Street Taco Bowl with lime and garlic rice, and it is 6.9 ounces, and it says it makes 4 servings and you just add meat and toppings, and it says what you will need. I thought that was what was in here. Okay, so there is a package of lime and rice garlic in here and a package of street taco seasoning mix in here. And you just need ground beef, water, and like taco seasonings. So, and I figured this would be really good because I still have my taco bowls I'm excited about. So I picked up that. I know it's a little bit dark, but sorry. I did just pick up another thing of just hot chocolate with marshmallows, 6 packets. I realized the other day, I guess I only have hot chocolate with peppermint marshmallows, which I didn't realize. So I just picked that up for us. I picked these up before. These my husband just loves. They're just the Nature's Fresh Mountain Trail Mix, 4 packs, and they are 1 ounce each, and they just have like peanuts and raisins and M&Ms. So I picked those up for him. Excuse me. Some of this stuff is fun, some of it's not, but this is just chopped onion, 1.58 ounces. I was out, so I just picked that up. Not fun. I thought these were totally cute. So this is the LED metal tree lamp, and it's 120 hours. But you guys, like, it's the LED candle, but look, it's got like the gold tree on the top. I think that's so cute. So I picked that up. I just really like that. And then I did pick these up. So I have not seen them small like this before, and I really liked it. So these are the gift boxes by Christmas House, but there's 5 of them in here. And so I want to see like how they're 5 by 5 by 2. So I picked up this set that I think is so cute. Jack Frost. How cute is that? And then these ones are just snowmen. I mean, I don't think that these are very big, but I thought that these for like a craft fair or something. I'm planning on doing one this month, yeah, right? But it's, you know, we all have to have goals of putting like some of the ornaments I've been working on in here. So I just want to see. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. And it comes, did I say 5 in a container? I think that's pretty good. That's 25 cents each. Okay, I cannot get this box put together. But anyways, I think that is cute. Like, so that's a little box. I mean, I think that's a good size. So 5 comes in each one. I got those. Let's keep on moving here. Oh, so I did text Amy from Bell's Bargains because my husband just got a different car and it requires like the more expensive gas in it. And when I watch Amy's videos, she says that her Volkswagen Bug also does, but that she puts something in it that doesn't require her to have to use it. So, you know, I had to ask her. And it was so funny because when she sent me the picture, I honestly thought she was taking a picture of like the Walmart, the Dollar Tree store shelf. It was hers at home. She said they don't carry it very much there, so she gets it when she sees it. And it's just the Performance Octane treatment, and it's 10 fluid ounces, and she says that her car does just fine like when she puts this in, when she gets a full tank. And so I picked up my husband too, so he could try them and see if it works for his, and then instead of putting like premium gas in. And then you guys, so these were pretty awesome finds, I thought. I'm just gonna try, hold on a second. Okay, that might be a little bit brighter because I want you guys to really be able to see the cool stuff I got. Okay, so I picked this up. I think this is amazing. And so this is the Winter Village Miniatures, but it's an LED light. Like, it reminds me, I'm gonna open it, of like a drive-in movie theater, I don't know, or like a bulletin board, I don't know. But it's for the village that my son and I do. So here's that. Oh, I was just scratching a scratcher, sorry. I guess I should have fixed that. Everyone here is taking a nap and I'm not. And so I was scratching a scratcher because I got bored, and then I was like, I'll do a video, but I won $1. Anyways, so it's this, and it has, I'm gonna take this off. You guys, oh my gosh, like, and it says, welcome to Cobblestone Corners. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think that is so, it comes with the batteries and everything. I absolutely love this. I think I did get 2. They're so cute. So that goes in my little village. And again, it is just in their village section. That's the container. And then I got this. Even the lady was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I was like, I know. It was the only container at all they could find, and the only color. I mean, it was the only one. So it's rhinestone gems, 1.05 ounces. And they're green, but this is also a glass jar. Like, so first of all, they sell their glass jars for $1.25, but it has like all the little like rhinestones in it, and they're like a gorgeous green. I just love it. And so I picked that up with all those little, you know, doodads in it. And then I've seen them have these in the plus section, but I've never seen these in the regular section. And it, excuse me, I'm sorry, it is the foil flakes. But these were $1.25. Obviously they're smaller, and they had them in gold, silver, and rose gold, but I didn't get them in gold. I'm not a big fan of gold, but this is 0.35 of foil flakes in the regular section. I just love them. Those are rose gold. Excuse me, I'm just falling apart here. I'm so sorry. And then these are the silver ones. I mean, I just thought it was awesome. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, they never have those here. Let me see. Oh, I'm not going to put this on my dog because she's too small, but I thought it was so cute. My husband said, what are you going to do with that? And I said, I just need it. So this is a pet costume set, 7 inches by 55 inches, and it's a size small. But I'm sure with all the time on my hands, I am going to find something to put this little Santa suit on with the little Santa hat. I think that is so cute. First of all, I would like to know what dog would fit in here. I mean, this neck, like, you have to think a head and a neck has to fit in there. So, I don't know, like, yeah. Anyways, I think it's so cute. It's a little Santa suit. So, I got that. And then, I thought I got 2 of them, but we'll look along. Here's another one. Told you I got 2. I wanted to buy all of them. I thought they were so cute. I just love that they're the LED. So cool. I bought 2 boxes of my little Cella's cherries. I did eat 1 whole box in the store. And then I was like, can you just ring up that one 2 times? Because I got hungry in the store. And she was like, oh, sure. So I love those. So I have bought like the foam dice before several times, and you know, like they tell you, you know, like you can wrap balloons around them to get rid of the numbers, or you know, the dots on them or whatever, but I've never seen them already ready. So these are the foam dice, guys, but these are just white. They're just white foam dice. Like, they don't have the numbers on them. They don't have anything. Like, they're already painted for us, you know. I think they usually come in 3, I don't remember, but I mean, because sometimes you guys all go to, there's that written there, but I'll go to paint them, and like, for the love of me, you can still see like the circles from the numbers on the dice, but these are already done. They're already white for you. Like, a lot of people use these for, you know, the little miniature marshmallows and stuff, and you have to paint them or whatever. This is already a marshmallow. You just put like some chocolate paint, brown paint on the top, and it's already a marshmallow. So I did pick up 2 packages of those because I was like, oh, they're already done for me almost. So the hardest part is to get the dots covered. Excuse me. Oh, I was looking. I thought there was a dog down there. There is. I think I slept wrong on my neck, and so of course now I'm adding to the problems, and my neck is hurting. tomorrow is 2 weeks since my surgery, and Wednesday is my post-op appointment, so I'm excited. Okay. Oh, I knew there was another Santa suit. So here's another pet costume, same size, and it is an elf. Again, like at least this head is a little bit bigger. But yeah. It's just a pet costume, I think, and it's 2 pieces. So cute. So here's the little hat, and here's that, and I will find something to put it on because it's cute. All right, so more of the village pieces I had not found before, so I had to get. They are the fairy garden figurines, and so this is 3 pieces, and it has the mail, the welcome sign, and the little street light, and they're all like red and white like candy canes. Love them. So there's those for our village. So this one, you guys, look at I think it's a dog, but look at the little deer. There's 2 little deer and a dog. I'm trying to get the glare off. Oh my gosh, I just love them. Oh, I just love them. And then I picked these up, which are kind of the same as the other one, but instead of red and white, they're blue and white. So the little street pole, this one says welcome. And then that one says kind of like a stop sign, I think. But so cute. So there's those 3 pieces. I did pick up another one of the LED metal star lamp, 120 hours, but this one is the star instead of the Christmas tree that I picked up. I wonder if they already have, let's just look real quick. I just want to see what they look like. I might as well open them. And then, oh gosh, it's falling, but I cannot pick it up right now because my neck is, you know, saying words that are not good right now to me. It's not a snack video, I'm sorry. The dogs are like, oh, snack time. No, not snack time. So I'm gonna pull the little thingy out here and let's see. Oh, can you turn on? Okay, stay on. You guys, oh my gosh. Like, I don't know. I just think that's so beautiful. Like, you don't even have to have anything around it. I mean, you could, but I mean, just that. Oh my gosh, so hold on, because now we have to check out the tree real quick. And then I just have, I think, one more thing in my bag, and then I think we're done. Hold on a second. Hopefully tomorrow I'm feeling better, and I can actually do another Vlogmas. That's gorgeous. I mean, and think about it. You could paint this too if you didn't want it to be gold. Oh, there's something on, I don't know, it's like a circle on the top. But if you didn't want it to be gold, like you could paint it red or green. I just think it's gorgeous. So there's that one. And then I did just pick up one more thing. My husband loves fried rice, but every time I look for a recipe, it says, and I don't think about it till the last second when I'm gonna make like stir fry or something. And then it's like, it's best to use with like 1-day-old rice. And I'm like, oh, well, I don't just cook rice, you know, any day of the week. So I picked these up. We'll see how they work. Light and fluffy in 90 seconds. And they're by Thai Kitchen, and it's a fried rice, and it's ready to eat. So I picked up 2 of them, and it's 8.8 ounces, and it says it's made with real vegetables. So I'll have to tell you guys how he likes it, and he is picky when it comes to his fried rice. So I'll let you guys know how it is. For me, I would think that it wouldn't be like dry enough, because I feel like fried rice is dry. I don't know. Vegetarian small batch steamed with rice. Okay. So anyways, you just tear it off and put it in the microwave. Let's see. Yeah, it says squeeze pouch to separate rice, and then tear to vent about 2 inches, and then 90 seconds. So, and they are good until April of 2023. So I'm super excited. If he likes these, I'm gonna pick up more for him, and they are 320 calories per pouch. So anyways, guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul slash Vlogmas day 6. Sorry about that. Like I said, I'm just tired. I'm just not feeling well. And so, but I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'm super excited that I have gone 6 days in a row with my videos. So I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.